You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French name, this French word. If you want to learn more names of famous places, including in this department in France, stay tuned. We got many more confusing ones at the end of the video. Var is how it's pronounced in French, with a very typical r sound for the R. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, especially the R, you can say it as var, var, or in French again. Let's listen carefully. The French pronunciation here, var, var. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.